Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Mike. Super glad to have you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, and the notification bell. So anytime that I make a new video, you guys are aware of that and you guys could check it out. And if you like this video, guys, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. It greatly helps me out. I appreciate all you guys' support. All you guys have been with me since the beginning, through all the speed bumps in the road. Much love to you guys. Thank you very much. So guys, my next project. Here's what I'm thinking. An Optimus Prime build. I think I'm on like a Transformers thing. After doing Megatron and the way that it turned out, I really want to do another one. What I think I want to do is get in contact with the Make-A-Wish Foundation, see if they have somebody there that's a gamer that loves Transformers. Maybe we could do something for an individual there. I think that would be something that would be really special. Just Megatron for me came out so amazing. It definitely exceeded the expectations that I had when I first started designing it. I love everything about it. I especially love the changes from Megatron 1.0 to 2.0. My favorite part of that is the front reflection plate, not having the distro plate in the back. I think it really opens up the case and gives it a much cleaner look, and I really love that about the thing. It's just it's an all-around amazing machine. It's definitely overkill. The CPU, the 5950X, is just phenomenal. That CPU is going to last years and years and years. If anything, I might upgrade the GPU in a couple years, because you can never have enough GPU horsepower. Even with every new GPU release, there's still some games out there and some resolutions that almost max it out, and you can't even get above 60 FPS. So that's something that I'll probably change. And then someday I'll retire it, and then I'll cry, but maybe I'll do a giveaway for Megatron before it becomes obsolete to one of you guys out there, because I know one of you guys would really appreciate it. So that's something that I might do somewhere in the future. So, an Optimus Prime build. I could do some crazy things. I've had so many different ideas running through my head, like chrome red tubes. Getting like EKWB on board, AMD, Intel. I think I could, see if EKWB maybe can make a couple custom parts, like a custom CPU block, maybe made out of the shape of Optimus Prime when he's in truck mode. That would be pretty sick. A custom GPU cover, maybe like on the front of the 6800 XT, where it says Radeon. I could get them to put Optimus in there. I definitely think I might have to get in contact with Hasbro and get permission for trademark and all that good stuff. If it's even Hasbro, maybe Disney bought them or Disney bought Marvel. I don't know. In this day and age, you can't keep track of who's who or who owns who or who bought who. I don't know, but I definitely would have to get in contact with somebody. Case wise, I had some crazy ideas. Probably not feasible. If somebody can make a custom case, in a spear shape, like Cybertron. That came together in like two pieces. We could weave some red tubes through it, and could literally look like the planet. I think that would be so sick, but probably not feasible. But if anybody out there that makes custom cases and you think you can make me a Cybertron case, get in contact with me. I'd love to hear your ideas. I never like to say that anything's out of the realm of possibility, because you'd be surprised what can be made. So, but let's say that you can't make a Cybertron case. I would like to hear from you guys on what kind of case you would use for the Optimus Prime build. I'm looking for a big case, something that's open. So, guys, share your ideas with me and what you guys think about that. We could do some crazy custom cables. I haven't thought much about, reservoirs and things of that nature, because, everything's got to be built around the case. So it literally has to start there. And like I said, doing something for the Make-A-Wish Foundation, a build like this would be pretty phenomenal. So I would like to kind of reach out to them and just kind of see where this goes, guys. I'm not sure if this is even a feasible project, but I just wanted to share what's been going through my head lately about my next project. And who knows, maybe I can get in contact with Hasbro and we can spawn a whole line of Transformer PCs. We can do like a Bumblebee and then a Starscream and then a Galvatron, because, I just really want to work with the color purple, because I think purple and black are sick. I think they really showcase each other. So, but that's where I'm at now. I know I said to you guys that I was going to make a video and show you guys my gaming setup next, and I promise that will be my next video. Just to give you guys like a sneak peek, I am running two monitors. My first monitor on the bottom, the bigger one that you guys see in the background, that is my Alienware. That is my 38 inch running at 3840 by 1600. It is an IPS panel. I feel like it's one of the best gaming monitors in the market. I absolutely love it. I wouldn't trade it for anything else out there. Then above that, I am running a 34 inch LG Nano IPS panel. I love that monitor, a secondary monitor, and I really love it being vertical above the Alienware. I didn't think I would like that because I thought for a while it might kind of kink my neck always looking up, but it's actually worked out really, really well. And I love the setup. I love it vertically better than horizontal. And most of my life, I've always had my extra monitors horizontal instead of vertical. So this is the first time that I've ever made that change, and I'm absolutely glad that I did, and I really, really love it. So we'll dive more into that in the next video and talk about all that good stuff. So, but those are my thoughts. Post them in the comments below. Let me know what your thoughts are. I always love hearing from you guys and what you guys think and what your thoughts are. And give me ideas on the Optimus Prime build. Again, I'd love to hear from you guys. So, as always, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.